Hey admins! Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the process of adjusting the attributes of your resources. Your office plan likely already includes desks, parking spots or meeting rooms, but there's much more you can customize to improve the booking experience for your team. Want to add photos to your resources? Block specific desks permanently? Assign features like equipment or special characteristics? Or define home zones within your office? Flexopus has the tools to do it all. Let's get started. To edit the settings of individual resources, you first need to open the corresponding floor plan. In the admin area, navigate to Locations, Floor Plans, and select the plan you want to work with. I'll choose this one from our Hamburg office and open it by clicking the pencil icon. You'll now be taken to the Floor Plan Editor overview. From here, you could access the map editor to adjust resource positions or add and remove elements, but that's beyond the scope of this video. If you're interested in using the floor planner, check out our other tutorials or visit the Help Center. Today, we're focusing on how to change the attributes of individual resources. In the floor plan overview, you can click on individual resources to select them. You can also choose resources from the list view below. The selected item will be highlighted in green, and the attribute window will open. Here you can edit the object name, or you can view and change the status of the resource. Currently, this desk is marked as flexible, meaning it can be booked freely by users. Let's say you need to block a desk due to maintenance or construction. Just click Blocked. If the desk has active bookings, you'll be given the option to either keep them or delete all upcoming bookings. In the latter case, affected users will be notified and asked to make a new reservation. If you have a personal office that shouldn't be shared, for example for a department lead, you can permanently assign a desk to a user. This is helpful when you want that user to also appear on the live map. However, use this feature with care. Permanently assigned desks can't be freed up for others without admin intervention. If you're looking for a more flexible option, we recommend using serial bookings instead. These allow you to assign desks regularly while still enabling shared use during absences. For more on serial bookings, check out our other tutorials or visit the Help Center. Below the object status, you can also add equipment tags or other features. These help users find resources that match their needs. For example, you can tag desks that have a docking station, or mark those that are height adjustable. You're completely free to define your own tags. For instance, you might add silent environment to indicate a quiet working area. Users can then filter for these tags when making a booking. Further down, under additional information, you can leave notes that will be shown during the booking process. This could be a helpful reminder, like please clean the desk after use. The Notify email address field allows you to enter an email address that will be alerted whenever this specific resource is booked. Useful for facility management or team assistance. In the User Groups tab, you can define which user groups are allowed to book the resource. By default, all users can book any flexible desk. But if you want to reserve certain areas, say for your HR team, you can assign those desks exclusively to the HR group. This way, you can create home zones for different departments, keeping teams connected while maintaining flexibility. Still, you might want to allow others to book these desks last minute if they remain unbooked. To do that, enable the setting to ignore group restrictions within a certain time frame. For example, if you enter 2 days, any group restrictions will be lifted 2 days before the booking date, giving others the chance to use available desks and helping ensure efficient use of your office space. The assigned group keeps priority, but if they don't need the desk, someone else can benefit from it. Under the Extensions tab, things get a bit more technical. Here you can, for example, link individual resources to Microsoft Exchange, allowing you to synchronize bookings between Outlook and Flexopus. This means you can book a resource in Outlook or in Flexopus, and both systems will stay in sync. You also have the option to connect the display to a specific resource. This is particularly useful for meeting rooms, where a display outside the room can show availability in real time and allow for ad hoc bookings directly at the door. In theory, you could connect displays to any resource, even individual desks, if needed. You can also link QR codes to resources. Those are usually placed on desks and can be scanned for check-ins after arriving at the office or for spontaneous bookings. In the Images tab, you can upload images of your resources to provide users with a visual reference and enhance their booking experience. This option first needs to be activated in the admin settings, so let's quickly take a look at how to do that. Go to Settings, Booking Settings, scroll down to Object Features and enable Object Images. Don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Now that we've covered all the settings, let's imagine you want to make changes to multiple resources. Instead of selecting each one individually, you can use the bulk editor to adjust multiple resources at once. Click on Open Bulk Editor and select the resources you need to edit. You can now tweak all the settings that can be shared across resources. For example, you can change the object status to flexible or blocked, but you cannot permanently assign multiple desks at once to one person. You can assign user groups, update equipment tags, or change the email address for notifications. Let's quickly do an example. I now want to create a home zone for IT in my office, block a few desks due to ongoing construction, and upload an image for one of our meeting rooms. To create the home zone, I select the desks I want to reserve for IT via the bulk editor. Under Update User Groups, I select the IT group and add it to my resources. Since I want to allow other users to book the desks as well if they are free last minute, I enable the option to ignore the IT group 2 days before a reservation. Next, I click on Select None to deselect everything and then select the desks that need to be blocked due to construction. Under Object Status, I change the status to Blocked and save the settings by clicking Set Status. Now I can close the bulk editor and proceed to upload an image for a single meeting room. I select the meeting room, go to the Images tab and upload the pictures. And that's it! Now you know how to change your resource attributes and how to use the bulk editor to efficiently make changes, improving the booking experience for your colleagues. Thanks for watching and happy managing!